Alright, y'all, so it's day 2 of me being in DC. I'm finna visit the Mary McLeod Bethune Museum. I'm gonna see what's going on in here and what they got to offer. Alright, y'all, come on. Okay, what's this right here? Okay. Striving for equality. Alright. Let's see what it's at. Oh, this it right here. The National House. You mind if I record?
Sorry.
I'm allowed to record it?
I think only like little snippets. I'm not really sure.
Little snippets?
What the policy is.
Okay then.
It is 12:43.
Y'all gonna do a tour? A tour?
So yeah, we can do guided tours. Our next one's gonna be at 1 o'clock.
So I'm finna do my little passport stamp book, the little park book. I don't know if y'all know about that, but some of y'all might not be a nerd like me, but I do that. Okay, that's one of the things I do. All right. So I'm finna get this stamp, and then we're gonna take a tour of her house and get our education on. Okay. All right.
You guys just visiting?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, we're getting actually 5 minutes till 1 o'clock for the tour. If you guys are interested.
That's how I look, y'all.
How long does that take?
Here you go, y'all. Y'all see it.
Actually, she started a school, as you know, Bethune Cookman University down in Florida, and that's where she's also buried. But when she was up here doing National Council of Negro, this was her bedroom. I have a feeling it may have been on the 3rd floor, but after you walk up those stairs, she probably said, "Baby, you need to move down to the 2nd floor." Mm-hmm. Now, there's also a beautiful carriage house right out here. One of the things that she also started when the world thought that Black women's history didn't matter, mm-hmm. She said it does matter. She started the very first National Archive for Black women history. So again, Mary McLeod Bethune. This is her office when she was here. When World War II came around, she wanted to show that Black women can support the war efforts as well. So what they did, they went and bought a ship called the Harriet Tubman Liberty Ship, and that ship was that ship was used to provide supplies during World War II efforts. When mail was being backed up, and servicemen could not get their mail. Now I was in not Desert Storm, but got within the military and got shipped away, and receiving a piece of mail is everything. It's right on Pennsylvania Avenue. Now this headquarters is beautiful. That headquarters, the new headquarters, is spectacular. It is 633 Pennsylvania Avenue, Northwest, right downtown. It is the only, and it still in existence, the only African-American owned building between the U.S. Capitol and the White House. She started the first women's journal for Black women as well. This is one of their copy machines, and this is a room that you can actually touch and feel stuff if you wanted to, because most exhibits you can't. Now this copy machine probably works better than the one we have upstairs, so it's always breaking down. This was used only just to put an address on a label. That's it. And we come a long way. But it's 600 pounds, and again, you can touch it and feel it. But I remember when the service people were moving it in. We're gonna go back downstairs, and then you're more than welcome to kind of roll around a little bit. So this is various campaigns that they were doing throughout. One of the most significant things that happened here happened back in the 1960s when Martin Luther King decided he wanted to do a march on Washington. And Height, they call it the Big Six, which is the planning committee of John Lewis, Martin Luther King, Bernard Rustin, all planned that out. But the sixth person, a lot of times they don't mention, is Dr. Height. Even our own community, because she was a woman, in our own community, they didn't necessarily didn't mention her, even though she was part of the only woman to plan out that particular event, that particular day. So when they needed a place that day to meet, Dr. Height suggested, let's meet here. So you had Martin Luther King, Bernard Rustin, John Lewis, all, and tons of other people right here at this table. There were buses that particular day right outside here. Now, they didn't know that day was going to be as historic as it became. There's a recording that one of my colleagues has on his phone. I don't have it, but they met here because this was the closest to the U.S. Capitol. And Martin Luther King and all of them were sitting around here, and buses are lined up. And as they're walking out here, the recording, you can hear the recording is singing, "We shall overcome." Yeah, and for me, a lot of times when I listen to it, it makes me cry. But if you could hear their voice, it's an actual recording of them singing right here, walking out the door. And again, they did not know that that day would become as historic. But that day started right here in this. When you need that inspiration, it's right there in that piece of paper. And like I said, once you get young, you certainly will understand. So that basically kind of concludes things. We allow people to just kind of walk around and, like I said, read the kiosks. There's books about some of the past presidents.
All right, so just finished the tour. It was nice, a nice little tour, educational, inspirational. But we finna head over to the zoo right now and see some zoo animals. See what's going on over there. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so I'm finna head over to the Chanel store and see what they got. Let's take a look. Hey, how you doing?
Welcome in.
Thank you. Hello. Hey.
Hey there, how we doing today?
Hey, how you doing?
Very good. My name's
Oh, these clean. These clean right here.
Okay, well, just call me.
They straight. Oh, these the ones I want right here. You got the Chanel on the little side right there. These the ones I had mine on. Oh, I like these too. Hold on. That's clean.
Do y'all want any water or anything?
No, I'm straight for now. You want some water? Which one look better? These or the purple ones?
I didn't see the purple one.
These right here.
Oh, I didn't know they had purple. I like those.
But they got these. These clean too though. This one.
But you only have the black ones. You got the black.
Them, nah, that's just Alexander McQueen. But these nice though. Hey, which ones y'all like better? Y'all comment down below. Y'all like the purple ones, or y'all like the cheetah print glazes?
But I feel like you'll have more stuff to get with those though.
Which one? The purple ones right
The
here?
black ones.
These?
No.
Which one you like better? You like these, or you like the purple ones right here? The pink, yeah. I was like they kind of stand out a little bit more.
That's it.
You got this the only one you got?
I can check for you.
What time y'all close?
What's today? Thursday?
Yeah.
7.
7. These green ones alright, but let me go ahead and put these back. I could only wear them like on St. Patrick's Day or something. Yeah, I ain't finna do that for myself. That's too much green. That's too much green. But them pink ones fire though. I might get them pink ones. I like these too. These like these plain. You feel me? I could wear it. I could wear this with anything. The plains. But them pink ones stand up.
Yeah,
That's your only
I
one?
toss them up for you and everything, make sure everything's alright, but
Yeah. What about these?
those are my preference. I have these ones. But I like the comfort of black and white, so it's definitely the easiest, but there's nothing better than just like pulling the sunglasses down to like read a bitch, and then it's like it's Chanel. Like it's unparalleled.
I see what you're saying, yeah.
That's also my only one of those ones though too.
I'm gonna go ahead and give them.
You filmed? I got
Yeah.
you.
I like these too. Hold on, while I'm talking, I need to. Okay, they got the Chanel watches. I wonder if they got Chanel shoes. Okay, these the little Chanel shoes they got out. Yeah, they clean. They clean. How much they want for these? Probably like $1,200. Might as well get the Louis. But they ain't got no price out. $12.25. They alright. Not really my style. These alright. These straight. They alright. These too. Oh, these straight though. These. I mean, they alright. They're a little plain. Alright, so I just left the Chanel store. I ended up going with the pink glasses, pink sunglasses. So I'm gonna go to the zoo after this, and we're gonna see what we're gonna get into at the zoo. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So we done made it to the zoo. We're gonna see what they got up in here. Comment down below what y'all like most about the zoo once we get through it. Y'all, it's a bison right here. Let me zoom in on it. It ain't moving or nothing. Oh, it must be sleep. Wake up. Look what just appeared. Another one. Alright, we got a little ostrich up on us. It's a big one. Hiding behind a tree. Come on out now. Come on up. Okay. Looks like we see a zebra. A zebra right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But there go a little close up. Alright, there go a cheetah right there. Watch out, let me see. All right, y'all. So we finna get ready to leave the zoo. We saw a couple of stuff, but I guess we missed the main events. But it's all good. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all favorite thing was about the zoo. All right, and while you're at it, subscribe. I'll see y'all later.